Okay guys, this is the new Moto G73 5G. So let us do the unboxing. We have the charging brick that comes with 30 watt 30 watt of adapter. I think it will manage it. And we have the charging cable that is, I guess, type C to type C. Okay, type C to type C. Okay, it is quite good that they have given this one. And the charging cable is also quite long. I think it will serve the purpose. This is the paperwork, and here we have the sim ejector tool, and a few, and here we have the paperwork. Let me just put this one aside. Now let us look at the handset. The handset is quite compact. It is easy to hold and quite light. Let us boot it up. The screen size is 6.5 inches and the battery capacity is 5000 mAh, and the display resolution is 1920 to 1080, so it does not support 4K, and the base variant comes with 8 GB 128 storage. So let us look at the body, and it comes with the GPU standard case, and the back is plastic. It is quite soft and it is not fingerprint magnet. Here we have the volume rocker and the power button, and down we have the speaker grill with the type C, the speaker grill type C and headphone jack. And the other side we have the here we have the SIM slot, that is the SIM tray, which comes with hybrid. Upside we have another speaker grill. The buttons are quite tactile and easy to press. The pin is mounted in the side. So I think based on this price, this is one of the best phones that is available with a good processor that comes with MediaTek 930. Let's put this aside. It is quite easy to hold. And here are some of the specs. The processor is MediaTek Dimesnity 930 octa-core 2.2. The rear camera is 15 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Front camera is 16 megapixel. Display is LCD. So it comes with 190 and 120 Hz display refresh rate. It is good. And as we know, Moto, it is close to stock Android, but there are few 1 to 2 apps of Motorola. It is 5G and come with 12 bands. This is an LCD screen. I wish if it has been an AMOLED, but the screen quality is quite good and it does not support 4K video. The touch response is good. It is, since it is 120, it feels buttery smooth, and it also supports Dolby Atmos as usual. Since the base variants come with 8 GB RAM and 128 storage, I think multitasking will not be an issue in this phone. For the verdict of the display, let us play some 4K video. Though it does not support 4K, we'll play it by the maximum, that is 2160p, that is 60 HDR resolution. So here let us select 260p, and we can see the brightness. The color is accurate enough. I think it is okay. And then the viewing angle also good. And here are the video angles. You can describe it in your own. The viewing angle is okay, the color is accurate enough, and it is quite comfortable to look. The Moto G73 5G come with a rear facing camera of 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel, and a front camera of 16 megapixel. I think for the rear megapixel is okay, though it is quite sharpy. Here are some sample shots. The color are quite saturated and it is quite good. Here is another sample shot. If we zoom in, it gets quite blurry, but it is okay. It do the job. And here is the ultra wide camera. I think it is okay. It is quite good. The color is saturated enough, and the natural tone is also good. And here are some macro shot, which is done, which is also in room lighting condition. I think the camera is good, above average. But here another sample shot that we take in the room lighting condition. Here also another sample shot. Next we have video that is in 1080p. This is 4K. This is on 1080p video shooting for testing. The image stabilization is good. You can see those three. So this is the Moto G73 5G unboxing. If your budget is around 20k, this might not be the best phone. But if your budget is fixed at 17, I think this is the best phone you can get. So I hope you like, share and subscribe.